Welcome to live trade video for the day. So today I traded on SBI Life. So I'll be showing you the today's trade logic where I took the entry, exit and everything. So watch the video till the end. So right now I'm buying SBI Life in the market level now around 1452 to 1451 level. But if you guys can see here, the movement was very quick. The stock already went up till 1457. So anyway, I'll just buy it now in the market level around 1454 is somewhere it got right. So let's wait for it to go up and see how the stock will perform today. And this is the trade what I've taken according to my study and the strategy. And you might see that suddenly the stock gave like 3 to 4 points of movement, but whenever it happens there are chances that the stock can come down and again retrace and go up. So anyway, let's see how it has going to perform, because it just went like 2 or 3 points up. There are still potential for the stock to go up. Okay. And also guys, if you guys wish to be a consistent profit in intraday trader, you can join my personal and unique intraday trading course today. In my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit, no complicated things and no indicators. Okay, so the main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader, and once you join us, you will be getting all these benefits which I'll be guiding you with my years and years of experience. Okay, and also guys, you can just go inside my channel and watch a lot of educational videos and daily live trades, and once you join us you get a daily live market support as well. Okay, so and also in my channel I have uploaded the daily live trades almost from 3 years plus. Okay, so you can see all of those things. And if you guys wish to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you can be a consistent profitable trader from today. So guys, yes, it's been a while, and if you guys can see here, the stock has come down a bit and now it is going up. So now the stock is back to 1452 levels. The stock did come down like 3 to 4 points down because the market is gradually coming downward side, and now the market has taken support. Even now the market is trying to push up, so even the stock is going to be pushed in the same way, I guess. So let's see how it will perform. So plan to take the exit once it goes above like 1458 or 1459. I'll just take my exit by booking almost like 4 to 5 points. Okay, so that's the plan right now. So let's see how the stock will perform. So right now it's trading around 1453 levels again, so it is trying to give the breakout of it as the market is trying to push up. Okay, so according to my study and the strategy, this stock has a potential to go up is what my view is. Okay, and also once you join us, I'll be guiding you all these techniques of selecting the stock and trading. And also, as you guys can see here, we are trading without indicators, which is very unique and very simple technique to trade upon. Okay, so yes, the stock is now up, so it's trading around 1456 level now, if you guys can see. So yes guys, once it crosses this level, I'll take the exit soon, and I'll update you guys where I take the exit and everything. So watch the video till the end so that you'll know where I take the exit and how I took the trade and everything. Okay, so 1456 as of now. So guys, if you guys can see now, the stock has given a breakout of the morning initial high what it has made, and now it has made a high of 1458.10. Yes, we are getting closer to the target of 1459, which will almost be 5 points from the price where I bought. So yes, anyway, I'll just take the exit now in the next few minutes, and I'll update you guys about where I'm taking the exit. So guys, yes, as you guys can see, the stock has made a high of 1459. Okay, so I managed to take my exit by booking almost 5 points somewhere around here. So this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of SBI Life. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us now. So guys, you can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. So I upload daily live trades about what trade I take and what trade I do, so you can see all the performance. And if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us. I'll be guiding you guys personally in the live market. The same trade what I take and the same levels what I do, you will get the same trades as well. Okay, so if you are interested to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now.